Kingston, Jamaica is set to host a vibrant array of events throughout February 2026, with a strong emphasis on its rich musical heritage, particularly Reggae Month celebrations. The capital will come alive with concerts, cultural showcases, and social gatherings, offering diverse experiences for residents and visitors alike. Upcoming events in Kingston, Jamaica, February 2026 month-long celebrations. Reggae Month February is officially Reggae Month in Jamaica, featuring a month-long series of activities dedicated to celebrating reggae music under the theme, Rhythms of Resistance. Key annual activities include tributes to reggae legends and award ceremonies. Kingston Night Market. This recurring event is scheduled for multiple Tuesdays throughout the month, specifically February 3rd, 10th, 17th, and 24th. Weekly recurring events. Reggae Dub Roots Tuesdays. Enjoy live reggae and dub music at Blue Ocean Sands. A specific date mentioned is February 17th, with other dates likely throughout the month. Gabriel Selassie's Sunday Dub and Roots Reggae Sessions. Experience authentic Jamaican music and culture with breathtaking city views on Reggae Mountain. These sessions are noted for Sundays, February 15th and 22nd. Institute of Jamaica's Last Sunday. On Sunday, February 22nd, the Institute of Jamaica IOJ offers free admission to its downtown Kingston museums, including the National Gallery and National Museum Jamaica, with special activities, tours, and workshops. Specific events by date. February 1st, Jaria. Let's celebrate the Crown Prince, Dennis Brown, an all-white event honoring Dennis Brown with performances by legendary reggae artists at the Amphitheater at Edna Manley College of Visual and Performing Arts. February 6th, Bob Marley's birthday and tribute concert, a significant event celebrating the reggae icon's birthday. February 7th, Hardwine Soca Party, an annual soca party held at Mass Camp. Father Phyllis Concert. Father Phyllis is scheduled to perform at Mass Camp, Jamaica National Stadium at 8:00 p.m. World Read Aloud Day, an international observance promoting literacy. Hollywell Hike, an organized hiking event. February 8th. Hard Wine, the ultimate soca experience, another iteration of the soca event, located at Arthur Went Drive.